Class of 2024, my name's Lucinda Peterson and I am the scheduler and assistant college counselor at St. Mary's. Today we're going to talk about building your schedule for 9th grade. If you're brand new to St. Mary's, welcome. We're excited to have you. If you're coming up from the St. Mary's Middle School, awesome. We're glad to see you in the high school. Let's go over some details about how to build your schedule for 9th grade. The first thing that you'll want to know is that you need to take 3 bins of English, 3 bins of math, 3 bins of lab science, 3 bins of social studies, 1 bin of religion 9, and 1 X-bin of freshman seminar. You'll probably want to take 3 bins of your foreign language as well. When you sit down to lay out your schedule on the schedule worksheet, I'd recommend that you begin with your foreign language. That's because most foreign language courses only run 1 time during the school year. If you took a language at St. Mary's as an 8th grader, go ahead and choose the second level language for whatever you took. If you'd like to change languages, now is a perfect time to do so. You can choose from Latin, Spanish, or Chinese, or if you took German in the 8th grade, you could take German 2 as a 9th grader. If you're brand new to St. Mary's and you took a foreign language at your school in 8th grade, you can probably choose the second level of the foreign language at St. Mary's without any issue. If you haven't yet taken a foreign language, then start by selecting which language you'd like to take and then choose the first year of that. After you've selected your foreign language, let's move on to math. Math classes that you take at St. Mary's are solely dependent upon where you currently are in math. If you're taking pre-algebra now, then you'll want to take algebra as a 9th grader. If you're completing algebra right now as an 8th grader, then you'll want to take geometry as a 9th grader. If you're completing geometry as an 8th grader, then you'll want to take algebra 2 as a 9th grader. There's more information about math placement in the math section of the course catalog, which is available on the website. After you've laid out your foreign language and your math on your schedule worksheet, let's move on to science. At St. Mary's, 9th graders take physics. We have 2 options, physics or advanced physics. The only difference is that for advanced physics, you need to be in Algebra 2 in order to take it. Most freshmen take physics. After you select your physics class, then you can move on to English and social studies. Both English and social studies are listed on the master schedule as 9-10 courses. That means you'll be mixed with some 10th graders. That's okay, the classes will be great. One of the things you need to remember is that you need 3 English classes and 3 social studies classes. Some students like to take more than that, and that's totally fine. If it's something that you're interested in, then go ahead and take as much of it as you would like. You need to include 1 bin of religion 9. Those are labeled on the master schedule as such. After you've completed your schedule grid that has English, math, science, foreign language, religion, and freshman seminar in your X-bin in Mod 1, you can fill your schedule with whatever you'd like. In order to graduate from St. Mary's, you'll need to include, at some point in 4 years, 3 bins of fine arts and 3 bins of PE. It's a good idea to start taking those in freshman year so that you don't end up waiting until senior year to take them all. We have PE and art options in multiple places during the school year as well as during the X-bin. Other things to consider when building your schedule include your extracurricular activities. If you participate in school sports, or you participate in things like scouts or theater or dance or anything outside of school, remember that when you're building your schedule, if you are really committed to things outside of school during a particular mod, you can make your schedule at school a little bit lighter. If you have questions about how to do that, contact me and we can set up an appointment to chat more. We're really excited to have you in the high school and can't wait to see your smiling faces when you come on campus. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.